Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. I can't believe it's already Thursday again. Like, I feel like it was just Monday. But it is Thursday. I have gotten up, done the workout, showered, got ready. Again, another quarantine day of sweatpants. And I put on like some mascara. Because I just didn't feel like putting on makeup today. And I'm not going anywhere, so I don't have to. I am about to get my coffee, which completely contradicts yesterday's video, what I eat in a day when I say like I do my coffee first, but I woke up starving this morning. So I had breakfast, worked out, and then showered, and now I'm gonna have coffee. Today is another not very, like, I don't know, I don't have much to do today. I do need to edit a few vlogs and get them up, and then I was thinking of making energy bites, like those energy ball bite things you see on like Pinterest, and I guess on TikTok now too. So I was gonna make those. The problem is I don't have honey, and I actually hate honey. So I'm gonna try to do it with subbing the honey for maple syrup, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna do that today. So that'll probably be our exciting thing of the day. For dinner tonight, I think we're gonna do tacos. Yesterday, go watch yesterday's vlog. I made dinner and it turned out like not good. I didn't say it in the video, but like it did not turn out well. And so we had pasta instead. Right now I'm just gonna get some coffee. I've actually been liking the Stokes not so sweet, but I really miss I can't get this out. Miss regular Stokes. I also miss like going to get coffee, which I guess I could still do. I didn't know that, sorry, you like can't see me. I didn't know that Starbucks closed. Haley told me that yesterday. Why can't I get any of these ice cubes out? So yeah, I'm gonna have my coffee and then edit some vlogs and check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright, as you guys just saw, I was making my lunch, so it's lunchtime again. I have the usual yogurt and fruit, and the sun just came out, so that's really nice. I've just been editing, and after this I need to upload the actual videos they're exporting right now, and then I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna make those energy bites. That's what I'm gonna do after this. Hi guys, it's 3 o'clock now, so I'm gonna make the energy bites. I just went on TikTok to find like a recipe, and oh gosh, I found this one by Chef, S-H-E-F. Oh no, I think her name's Emily. I don't know, but I found this on TikTok. This is her profile. And all you need is oatmeal, like rolled oats. I just have these quick oats. I'm gonna use maple syrup instead of honey because I said earlier I don't like honey and I don't have any. You need peanut butter, vanilla extract, salt, and chocolate chips. So I wanted to give you guys like the measurements because the TikTok goes really fast. So you need 1 1/4 cup of oats, a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/3 cup of maple syrup, salt just like to taste, and 1/2 cup of peanut butter, and then I just have mini chocolate chips. So I'm gonna put this all in the bowl. I guess I can do it on camera the best I can, so we'll do that. This is broken. We broke it last night. Should I make a TikTok? Okay, so once you mix it all up, you're gonna put it in the fridge. I think you have to cover it and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. It's funny because I'm pretty sure I made these like years ago, and they came out really bad, and I did not like them, but I also did use honey, and I used like Jif peanut butter, so that's probably why they didn't come out as good. But now we're on that healthy-ish. So I'm gonna cover this with the worst plastic wrap in the world. This stuff doesn't even work, but we're gonna try our best. Yeah, it like doesn't even like stick or stay. So I don't know why we still have it. We should probably just throw it away. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna clean up my mess and wait 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes, the timer went off. And I got them out of the fridge. And now you're just gonna like make them into little balls, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna get a plate to put them on. I don't know if I should like roll it into a ball or if I should try to like form them into like this thing. I guess we'll just roll them into a ball. So this is them all rolled up. I'm gonna put them back in the fridge for like 20 or 30 more minutes and then I will try one. Okay guys, they are done. I can't wait to try one. I'll try it on camera. Oh my gosh, so good. Wow. These are really good. This is gonna be my new dessert at night. All right, I'm getting a late start to dinner. It's 6:05 and usually I start dinner at like 5:30, 5:45 because Dylan usually gets home a little after 6, but I had one of those energy bites and it really filled me up and I'm honestly not even that hungry. But I'm gonna start dinner now so that it's ready when he gets home, but like, well, it won't be ready, but like it's started. So yeah, we're having tacos tonight, so I'm just gonna cut up a bell pepper and an onion and put that in a pan and do some seasonings on that and then grill up and then cook up some ground turkey. Is that all we do? Yeah, and then just tortillas, salsa, and Dylan likes sour cream and cheese. So that's it, really simple, nothing crazy. Alright, so I usually start the peppers first for a few minutes and then I'll throw the onions in and then I'll put the seasoning on. So I'm gonna let these cook for a minute and then throw the onions in. If you watched the vlog where I made fajitas the other day, I'm gonna do just about the same seasoning. I do ground cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, paprika, and coriander. I just kind of like eyeball it. I do a majority chili powder, paprika, and garlic, and then just like a dash of these two. Now I have my sous chef here. He's doing the ground turkey. And then we use, where did I put the taco seasoning? The enough here to be in here. Alright, apparently I didn't get taco seasoning, so I'm gonna look up one on Pinterest, because we usually do buy like taco seasoning, even though I season the veggies like myself. But now we're gonna make our own. Alright, I made it up. I don't know if I would use all of it.
Oh, hell no, I'm not gonna use all of it.
Okay. We'll see how it is. I swear I got it. Got taco seasoning. I don't know where I would have put it. Alright, dinner's ready. We just leave these here and come over and get the meat and the veggies. And then over here we just have our, Dylan does sour cream, we do salsa. And then these are my tortillas. I do the carb balance ones because they're literally the exact same, but 70 calories. And those ones are Dylan's and they're like 150 calories. Alright, we're about to watch McMillions, but Dylan's gonna try my energy ball bite thing.
Netflix. What's he got in? Chocolate chips. Granola.
Peanut butter, oats, vanilla, and syrup. What?
Those are good. You can keep making those.
You don't like them?
No, you can keep making them.
Oh, I thought you said you can keep eating them.
Those are good. Wow.
They're really filling though.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that.
You like it?
Good. I do.
Babe, it's on Hulu.
Oh, it is, isn't it? Fuck. Excuse me. Hello. Hello. Hulu.
We've been watching McMillions. I think we're on episode 3. 3?
I think so.
It's really interesting.
It is really good.
So we're gonna watch that. That's about it. So we watched part of McMillions, and now I just made a little snack for dessert, I guess. I just did a banana with some blueberries and some strawberries, and I'm gonna head upstairs and watch some YouTube and eat this and probably go to bed in a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure to subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram at Nicole with 2 A's and 2 E's, and I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, and listen to Mainly Adulting with Mariah MacDonald podcast. Bye.